What is good, y'all? Welcome back. Thank you guys for being here. I've got a pretty quick video, but I think it carries a good message, and that is the #1 piece of advice that I think I would give every beginner rider. And I've only been riding for like a year, but I think this is something that I've definitely taken to heart and taken very seriously, and that is the pursuit of constantly learning. There are so many ways and so many different types of riding motorcycles that it's an endless pursuit of finding new techniques and the right techniques and how you are supposed to ride a motorcycle. And I think it's super important that when you're first starting out, whether you have a bike already, whether you're about to buy a bike, whatever it is, it's super important to know that riding a bike is a constant endeavor. Hopefully it's a lifelong journey for you, but you are always learning how to ride a motorcycle. Just because you can go 120 miles an hour dead straight down the interstate and pass your buddies and whatever the hell the case may be, that does not mean you're a perfect rider. And I don't know if there are any perfect riders, but it doesn't stop you from being able to learn more and wanting to learn more. So if you're starting out and you're like, well, I watch YouTube videos and all this other stuff, like how do I just keep learning? Like, part of it comes from experience for sure. You're gonna learn a lot in the first year of riding. You're gonna make some mistakes, you're gonna learn from those mistakes, blah blah blah. But aside from that, like, I watch a lot of YouTube videos about how to ride. I watch a lot of YouTube videos about people that have crashed, why they crashed. I watch what's his name, Dan the Fireman. He breaks down people's mistakes when they're riding, when they crash, or if they do something stupid, and he kind of slows it down and talks you through it, and he's like, well, this probably happened because of this, and it's super helpful. I would definitely recommend go to check it out. But other than that, just constantly watching new videos, getting other people's perspectives, riding with other people, it all makes a huge difference on how you ride a motorcycle, and I think it's super important. So if you are just starting out, you're just getting a bike, you have a bike, you've been riding for a couple months, just continuously learn, be humble. Don't worry about what other people think about you. Like, it's not a big deal if you ride a 250. Eventually you're probably going to upgrade, and the cool thing is once you're on a bigger bike, you're going to respect the guy that's just starting out and has a 250. You're going to be like, hey man, I was there at one point, I made that same exact choice, and I'm so glad I did. And that's how I feel about the 500. Like, it's a little bit bigger than a 250, 300, closer in comparison to the Ninja 400, but this has been perfect. So I've just been able to learn and practice. That's really what I've been wanting to do with this bike. So that's it for today's video, guys. It's kind of short, kind of straight to the point, but I hope you guys took away something from this and can apply it to yourself. It's super important, I think, to not stop learning. All right, y'all, well, that's it for this video. I know it's super short and to the point, but I hope you took away something from it. Just always be humble, always learn more about how to ride a bike, and I guarantee you it'll pay off. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you later.